2, 1. Hey,
A
what's up
few
mga bad
moments
boys?
later.
Pag pa lang kayo sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan at pinutin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more coming this video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For today's my vlog, BMW GS 800 model 2024 aspect. Engine type 4-stroke parallel twin engine, single cylinder, double overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder. Engine displacement 700
1 hour later.
cubic centimeter. Bow stroke 82 by 75.8 mm. Compression ratio 12 by 0 by 1. Cooling system liquid cooled, induction, electronic intake injection for 45 mm throttle bodies, and ignition no control and oxygen sensor. Starting electric, maximum of power 62.5 kilowatt at 7,500 rpm. Maximum torque 80 newton meter torque, 18 newton meter torque at 5,750 rpm. Clutch type multi-plate in all bat. Transmission speed 6-speed. Panel drive chain. Gear ratio. Panel drive ratio 1 by 2 by 6. Frame tubular frame in steel, partly carrying engine. Rake 26 degree. Front suspension 45 mm. More sahig outside down fork. Front wheel travel 230 mm by 9.1 inch. Rear suspension double stud swing arm, aluminum casting. Rear wheel 250 mm by 8.5 inch. Front brakes 2 by 300 mm disc, 4 piston caliper. Rear brakes single 265 mm disc, 2 piston caliper. Wheel wire spoke. Front rim 2 by 15 by 21. Rear rim 4 by 25 by 17. Front tire 90 by 90 by 21 by 54. Rear tire 180/70 by 17 by 69. Dimension seat height 850 mm by 34.6 inch by 33.5 inch. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and click the bell the bell button and for more updates para upload these my videos. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe. Pakiclick ang bell button para updated ka sa mga aking bagong upload na videos. At Wheelbase 1,577 mm, 62 by 1 inch. Dry weight 177.8 kilogram, 300 by 392 kilos. Weight 207 kilogram by 456 kilos. Fuel capacity 16 liters, 4.2 gallon. Fuel consumption average 5.11 100 kilometers by kilometers, 19.6 kilometers or 45.9. Average tank distance 312 kilometers by 194 miles. Standing mile 12.5 seconds. Top speed 199.0 kilometers per hour or 124 kilometers per hour. Kung lagi kang nagagawin sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Ring the bell button for more updates, for more upload my videos. And ito naman itong 800 BMW 800, isa siyang adventure bike na may pagka sporty at inline 2 siya, inline 2, 4 bulbs at ang displacement niyan 798 cubic centimeter at naka TFT display at may construction control or KTRC at may ang shock niya front shock naka show of work, front and rear, and adjustable yung nasa rear niya at naka rin siya TFT display. Ang presyo niya at 572,000 at yung maximum power naman niya 62.5 kilometers ay kilowatt, and mo yung 62 nasa 7,500 rpm. Tapos yung torque naman niya 80 Nm torque. Tapos nasa naman yun 5,550 rpm. Yun malalabas naman yun, makakuha mo yun by seconds. Ang clutch naman niya multi-plate in all both. Tapos transmission 6-speed. Ito mabibili mo to sa Libis. Itong BMW sa Libis, Pampanga, sa Cabanatuan. Lalagay ko na lang sa description box ang lahat ng mga kailangan. Lilin ko rin yung mga follow us my social media account at like us Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Pwede nyo akong i-follow follow nyo ako sa Facebook page, sa TikTok at Facebook page at Instagram. Pwede ka rin pwede rin kayo mag-message sa aking mismong Facebook ko. Mag-message kayo kung anong gusto nyo. At ililink ko sa lahat sa description box sa mga kailangan. Ito, naka 4 piston caliper na siya. Tapos naka single disc na
Don't trust me anymore. Okay.
Single disc na 256mm disc, 2 piston caliper. Rear at saka front. Yun, nasabi ko na lahat at paki-follow na lang ako sa mga social media account ko like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. At dito ko natatapusin ang aking vlog. See you on the next vlog. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Paki-follow nga sa aking page, San Moto Vlog. Dito ko natapusin ang aking vlog. See you on the next vlog in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching this my vlog. See you on the next one. Babush!